Couple of notes on the online form I-130. One thing we're doing more is filing cases online. So the N400 and the I-130, we're doing the USCIS.gov online filing. If the client is able to kind of deal with the online kind of stuff. But there was some weird stuff popping up. There's a period of time they fixed it after a lot of complaints came through. Ayla, I think, saw a lot of postings and they reached out to USCIS and fixed it. But the G28 section of the form wasn't working. So when we went to like accept and say like send to G20, I'm the lawyer, the link wouldn't work for a couple of days until they fix that up. So be prepared for that kind of stuff happening. If it does, you got to contact them or maybe contact Ayla to contact USCIS on your behalf. But we have other things that are popping up, which is where like the address history question for the petition, the 5-year address history is just not coming up. So that was kind of weird. For current address, it doesn't allow you to write present, so you have to just put a date in randomly. And it's not always like this. Like the 5-year address history for the petitioner, sometimes it asks, sometimes it doesn't, but it's always got to ask. It's pretty standard on the form. So that's a weird thing that's popping up. Be prepared for. And I mean, sort of related with USCIS.gov is we are, at least I have a screen name associated with the old format where we could input a case number and get emails and text messages when there's updates on there. I don't think new people could do that anymore. My associate hasn't been able to log in and do it. So I don't think that's possible as much as it used to. But it was a really good system because randomly we get emails that say you got RFE, you got approval, we got your receipt or whatever. Which is really cool. But in the last week or two, and we're recording this July 3rd, they haven't been updating the USCIS.gov updated system. So if this is for anybody, if you check your case status online, that system, like we have cases where EADs were approved or RFEs were sent for medical, and there were no updates happening there. So until the client got the mail before we did and told us, we hadn't noticed it. So that was kind of annoying that that's the case. But hey, it is what it is. That's USCIS.gov for you.